This video is going to walk you through how you can publish YouTube video using YouTube Creator Studio. Without much ado, let's get started. Remember to subscribe to this channel so as to get numerous videos that have been uploaded on this channel. Without much ado, let us get started. Before you do that, you must make sure you log into your YouTube and then sign in with your Gmail. Already you have a YouTube account, and then you go to your YouTube studio, and then once you go to your YouTube studio, then you click on create. So when you click on create, then it's going to bring a dialog box that say upload videos. Already you might have already created the video that you want to upload. So once you click on upload video, you see this drag and drop video files to upload or select file. So I can go to the file and then I can drag it to this place and then it will upload. You can do that. Look at this that I want to do. So if you drag it here, it's going to upload, but I'm not going to do that. The second one, you can click on select file and then you go to the location where the video is and then you click on open. So this is the video that I want to publish. So I'm going to click on open so you can follow either of the two procedure. So it's going to upload. Can you see uploading? And then from 0% to like 100, and then it's going to check. So depending on how heavy your file is, then it's going to take some time to upload, but mine have already uploaded because it's not that long. So you have to do some settings like the YouTube name. We are not covering that, we are just talking about publishing. You have to input your tag, you have to input the description. In the next video I'm going to explain that. You can comment in the comment section below if you need how to do that, how to upload thumbnail if you need that. But this video is talking about how to publish. So here you have to click on no. Now I've already put the tag and then I've already done everything, so you make sure you click on no for kids and then you click for next. And then once you click on next, and then I'm going to add an end screen, and then I'm going to import it from video. So I click on import from video. If you don't have any video, you can leave this place, and then once your channel is getting bigger and bigger, then you will see this option. They are very simple. So I choose the related video that I need, and then I click on save. So as I click on save, I click on next, and then this time around we are in visibility area. And then remember, YouTube is going to check your work. Now they have checked mine, and then I have to click on public because I need people to see it. If I click on private, then people will not see it. And then the last one, I'll click on publish. Now the next video will talk about schedule, and then I click on publish, and then this is how to publish YouTube video using Creator Studio. And then it has been published. You see publish July 27, and then if you go back to your YouTube studio, you are going to see there. You see it right there. So that's how to publish YouTube video using Creator Studio. Do you want me to do any video? Please comment in the comment section below, and remember to like this video. See you in the next video.